Alright, we are packing up today. The time is 7:59. Plans decided to change a little, and we're going south today. Stoked! A new thing of fresh snow obviously came down last night. Can't even see the stairs. My socks are like soaked now. Nailed it. Hey!
Thanks, Andrew.
Good work, Andrew. Just doing my duty.
I got fake people going fake love damage.
Making a quick stop at Starbucks. Starbeezies. They have to go get a footage of a sign. That's the t-shirt store. They have to go get footage of a sign, and I have to upload the vlog. So I just do.
What is it?
Alright, oh, it's so zoomed in. I don't have a free hand. Hold on, let me fix the. There we go. Yeah, so we're out here. Brian's filming me for his video. Hey, Brian. How's it looking?
Looks good, man.
Lit. Here's a good old Jane Fonda.
Where are we headed? I had the baby named Jane, she could shake that thing.
Alright, I'm working here. We're now leaving the good state of Wyoming. Yeah.
Where are we at?
Wyoming. What was everyone's favorite part of the Tetons? Rachel?
Waking up to them the first morning.
The sunrise?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jake?
I think waking up to them or the bison. I've never seen bison before.
Brian?
Either shooting sunset at that lake or seeing the moose when we were first driving in.
Yeah, I agree.
What was yours?
The wild horses?
Or whatever.
They were wild, but they were running.
Oh yeah, the ones at the tree. Yeah, that was a cool part. That might be my favorite part. I thought that was really cool. But I also like seeing that orange house. I thought that was cool. Monroe. I don't know why I thought that was so cool, but
It was cool.
aesthetic. We're now on the way. Does the GPS say anything?
14,000 hours. See? 14,000 hours.
4 hours, 22 minutes to SLC.
On our way. Dude, there's one time in my life.
Let's help at least.
Very careful getting out of the car.
Okay, it's they're pretty dang stuck out there, so we're gonna try to get it out here. We'll see how it goes.
Damn. Oh. Shit.
We can probably pull that car forward, huh?
I'm so lucky to be traveling with the nicest guys ever. Just helping out.
By chance have a tow rope?
Trying to.
Good luck.
Drive safe yourselves. Look at those turns. That's where all the ice is.
Yeah. Shit, thank you.
That guy, they got stuck on the turn. They just came from Salt Lake. They said it got pretty gnarly, but they also made it in that Buick. You got it?
I think we'll be fine.
Okay.
If you need to switch, let me know.
If it gets too bad, it's not really worth it, so let's just turn around, honestly.
If they made it with that thing from where we're going, we'll be fine. Skirt, skirt, beep, beep, now I'm driving.
Jake, how's it going? Stellar. You're killing it.
Thanks,
We're
man.
alive still, so I mean.
Yeah, thanks for keeping us alive so far.
Trying.
Okay, step out of the car for a second. Really crazy lighting going on. Wow, it's kind of windy though. It's cold!
No, I'm dying.
Oh my.
You're gonna have to stay out there a little longer.
No.
Brian wants to take a portrait of you.
No way. Give me like 5 minutes. If you do want a portrait, we can. Dort's just gonna shoot some portraits of me. Oh, will you give me these for the vlog?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Some door tricks.
Sick! How'd it go?
It's good.
Good.
It's so cold.
Yeah.
What's up, Andrew?
I'm captain of the ship now, and how far? What'd you say?
We got like 40 miles on this road.
We have like 40 miles on this road. Conditions are sick, but also kind of sketchy. Anything else to say, anyone? Sick.
I could really go for like a bag of flaming hot Cheetos and a Arizona iced tea. What are you doing?
Gotta drop my car, but the mechanic is just a windshield. But
Typical. I found a Sam Elkins in his natural habitat. Driving.
Drive.
Okay, we are like 3 hours in now. It was snowy and stuff. Stopping by for some quick snackage. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. You need one of these? 2 cheese sticks and 2 corn dogs. Jake, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I feel like I might be getting a little sick, which sucks, but
That does suck.
I'm trying to fight it off. Other than that, A+, man.
Nice, A+, 10 out of 10. There's a
I
garbage can right there.
need you to need me.
Where? There's a few.
3 out of 10.
Drat!
How's the corn dog?
Well, this is the regular one. I also got a jalapeno one in the other bag, but I'd probably give it. I just love corn dogs. They're so good. I'll give it an 8.5. Corn dogs, man.
Cheers, dude.
Let's see it.
That guy got
I can't. He's not wearing your shirt.
that guy like $1.
Almost. Next time.
You guys are all trash.
Thanks, Dorts.
All my life I was blind, I was blind.
Did it work? Sick. Now we. Oh, there it is. There it is. Get it. Get it. Did you get it? Yeah. Yeah. Way to go, Dorts. We're now like outside of SLC in a place called Cheyenne. How's it going, Rachel?
Good. Just getting some work done.
Jealous. Looks like Dort's got some firewood.
Yay.
Did you get the wood?
Yeah, man.
Yes. Ah! Hurry up! Please! So these are the current conditions in Salt Lake area. How far are we from the cabin?
An hour and 1 minute.
Hour and 1 minute. Oh, Jake's watching my video right now.
So you're here and there.
It's been some gnarly weather pattern. What was that news?
Serious winter road conditions and still snowing at the cabin. Check weather reports and road conditions. It's a foot deep the last 2 miles and deeper the last half mile. Totally cautioning you, the interstate up is very slow going. Road signs are advising 4-wheel drive.
Oh.
A foot! And worse on the last half mile. The
Last mile.
God. Worse on the last half mile. You think we'll make it?
Yeah.
I guess we'll see. Please focus. I'll just film it. I was trying to get a photo of that, but my camera was focusing on the windshield. Like that.
And me! We have been driving for like 6 hours to try to get to our Airbnb by Park City, Utah, and we couldn't even see the exit because it's snowing.
So this is like the exit that was there, but imagine like 6 inches of snow or something. There was nothing there. We couldn't even see a road. It was crazy.
So we decided to just keep driving to Salt Lake City and crash there for the night. Yeah, we've been driving for so long.
I'm feeling fine. I am hungry.
That's
I'm excited to go eat In-N-Out next. Meet up with a couple friends too.
Skrrt. It's hour like
Flies
13. Okay, well it's like hour 7. Starting to go crazy. Trying to help someone get us out of this car.
What are you filming, Jake?
I'm just trying to.
Same.
Damn, I love you. I gotta pee. Hey!
How's it going, buddy?
Good to see you. What a surprise. What up? Hey.
Oh, what's up, vlog?
Thank you.
Yeah, more snow.
Skrrt.
Good to see you.
See you.
For you to be here.
Huh?
How stoked for you to finally be here.
I got a sneeze.
What?
I got a sneeze. I am extremely stoked to be here.
Finally, after a long day of driving?
Yes. Long day.
All right, Salt Lake City, huh? To all the people in Salt Lake that have hit me up to hang out, and I said I'd hang out with you and I'd come down here soon. here I am. I'm really sorry we're not hanging out. I wasn't really planning on coming here, so my bad. I will come back again. Good luck, Jake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This light is really bad. So they're all asleep out there. It's like 1:05 in the morning. I'm almost done with the vlog edit. I'm sorry if today's vlog wasn't stellar. Like, we were planning a 3-hour drive. Due to conditions and all that, it ended up being like 7 or 8 hours in the car.